Well done everyone for going through the courses so far. You are halfway through completing the course. For this section of the course, we will be focusing on what keywords are, why are they important, and how do you research keywords effectively to identify profitable keywords and drive your ad costs down. So what are keywords anyway? Keywords are basically specific words or phrases that people type into search engine that they are looking for. So it can be anything from a query, information that they are looking for, or places to eat. The way this works is when you put these keywords that are relevant to what you are selling or promoting on your website, the search engine can provide your content to people that search for those words and phrases, and it will be helpful for you and your business. Let's say you've got a website about flavored coffee, and you sell all sorts of flavored coffee, and you blog about flavored coffee, and you sell delicious vanilla flavored coffee, and create a product page about vanilla flavored coffee. Now, what kind of search term do you want to be found on? What kind of words do you think people will use in search engines to find you? What would the search query look like? Probably vanilla flavored coffee, because that's the keyword that reflects what's on the page best. And if you should explain the bottom line of your content, how would that look? What words would you use? That's your keyword or key phrases if there are multiple words. We tend to use the word keyword all the time, but we don't necessarily mean it's only one word. Keywords usually consist of multiple words. So why are keywords important? Basically, keywords help search engines identify what your website is about. They want to make sure that what you're offering on your website is relevant to what users are looking for. That is why search engines like Google emphasizes on content. Whenever a content is created, Google will identify the importance of a word by the frequency of the word being used. So for example, repeating the word vanilla coffee a couple of times in a whole post will not make it stand out. Thus, Google will not be able to tell if that word is the keyword for the particular post. So if you want to make it clear to Google that vanilla coffee is the keyword that you want to be known for, then you have to use the word fairly often. But keep in mind, drowning your post with the same keyword is counterproductive. Although stuffing keywords in content used to be a very effective strategy, but content with the same keywords in it over and over again is very annoying to read. Thus, Google will skip those type of content and drive their users to contents that are more user-friendly instead. There are a few ways to come up with keywords. First, you could start by brainstorming words and phrases that are specific to your niche, product, or service with your team. Try to figure out who your customers are, what they are saying, and what they might be searching for. You need to get into the heads of your audience and use the words they use when they are searching. If you use the wrong keywords, you never get the visitors you want or need because your text doesn't match what your potential audience is searching for. But if you do use the keywords people are searching for, your business can thrive. So if you see it like that, your keywords should reflect what users are searching for. With the wrong keywords, you'll end up with the wrong audience or none at all. That is why having keywords is really important. The next powerful tool that you can use to generate keywords is to use Google Analytics to figure out what words you are already ranked for by Google, and you can focus on those keywords and phrases when running your ad campaigns. Another tool by Google that you can use is to use the Google Keyword Planner to expand your list of keywords and look for words that would match up with some of the words that you might be ranked for. When it comes to keyword ranking, sometimes it can be very tempting to be ranked for the most popular keywords or phrases. But I'm here to tell you that doing that might not be the best idea, because with popular keywords comes higher competition. So these keywords can be very difficult to be ranked for and can be very expensive to be ranked for. So I would suggest that you be very clear on your niche and who your customers are and start targeting those specific keywords. Now, these keywords could be 4 or 5 words long, but since they are more specific to your targeted audience, it will be easier and cheaper to rank your website. So let's look at some example. In this example, if you search the word coffee in a search engine right now, you'll get billions of results that have everything to be related to coffee, whether it's news, recipes, coffee shops, and so on. And it is an extremely competitive word. But if you search for the word vanilla coffee, it starts to niche down to what type of people are looking for vanilla coffee. But wait, if you are a business selling vanilla flavored coffee, this might not be the keyword that you want to use. And why is that? Because the first thing that Google is showing you is recipes for vanilla coffee. So people who are typing in this keyword is not looking to buy vanilla flavored coffee, but looking to make vanilla coffee for themselves. However, if you were to tweak your keyword a little bit to, let's say, vanilla flavored coffee, you'll start to see things are a bit different. You have here sites where they are selling vanilla flavored coffee, which are just the right target market for you, because these are customers who will click on these sites and start to purchase vanilla flavored coffee for themselves. So from that example, you can see that it is very important to know what kind of keywords your targeted audience is using to search for the thing they want online. Most of the time, the keyword that you think at the top of your head might not be the keywords that are being used by your customers. So let's dive deeper into looking for better keywords in the next video. I'll see you there.